Hello, I am Professor Vigyan, and I am here to share with you the latest science news in just 2 minutes. Imagine building tiny tools, not just for microscopic work, but inside a living cell itself. For decades, this has been a distant dream. But now, scientists have achieved it. 3D printing functional microstructures directly inside live cells. Researchers like Marissa Moore and her team inject a special biocompatible material into cells. Then, using a precise femtosecond laser, they print complex shapes with incredible submicron resolution. The unhardened material simply dissolves, leaving stable structures. They've even printed a 10-micrometer elephant and tiny microlasers. However, it's crucial to note that while printing happens in live cells, the host cells currently do not survive beyond approximately 22 hours after the procedure. This breakthrough offers unprecedented control for intracellular sensing, biomechanical manipulation, and even targeted drug delivery. It's a huge step towards engineering cellular properties beyond nature. The full reference for this fascinating study is provided in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more exciting science news that can impact your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.